Hello, it's Tuesday the 17th. I'm FxPlew and this is the market brief. Now, some UK bank bosses are due to meet on Thursday. They're planning to hammer out a homegrown alternative to Visa and Mastercard. Trump's sabre rattling over Greenland has them spooked, and rightly so, when about 95% of UK card transactions run on US owned payment rails. Switch them off and we're back to the 1960s and a cash-only economy. How crass. The government-backed but city-funded initiative has been under discussion for years now, but it's never quite found the right motivation or the right threat to commit the funds necessary to build an alternative sovereign system. Russia got the memo though. They cracked on when sanctions stopped about 60% of their transactions, and the EU is also already building locally owned networks that can't be switched off by any foreign power. So forcing international markets to build homegrown alternatives to the US solutions, is that what he meant by Make America Great Again? Over in the US, Trump's pick for the Fed chair, Kevin Warsh, may finally get a big shot to affect policy. He spent 15 years or so campaigning against QE bloat, and he will now have the opportunity to shrink the balance sheet. He also has Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent singing from the same hymn sheet, but Wall Street is braced for fireworks. Any effort to significantly reduce these holdings carries the risk of spiking interest rates and spooking the funding market that underpins the financial system. So good luck with that one, Warshy boy. Good luck indeed. Meanwhile, Fed member Michelle Bowman has been on. She wants to boost the US mortgage market with new ways to reduce regulatory costs for the banks and help to kickstart the housing market once again. And that is all well and good, but mark my words, if you hear any mention of self-assessment mortgages, I will be running for the hills. In the market, the dollar index closed higher around 97.10, and we kick off this morning down against the dollar around 136.15. We're down against the euro around 114.90, and euro dollar is down around 118.45 on the open. Go on the dollar. That's it from me. Have a great day.
If you do not have a clue, then just tweet through and ask FxPlew.